At Brandom Docks, Flynn the fire engine had just arrived. Everyone was excited. Even Cranky was curious.
I've never seen an engine like you before.
Flynn smiled a big smile.
Flynn's the name. What's yours?
Easy now.
Cranky.
Cranky?